Alright, we are back out on another job site. Today we are doing a roof cleaning for this client. As you will be able to see, the shingles are rather dark. Here you can see what the shingles should look like versus how dark they are. And then through here, we've got just general buildup. And over there you can see where a roof repair was done. This roof should all match where they've done the repair once it is clean. This side is incredibly dark. Of course, that's where the sun is rising, so that's why this side is as dark as it is. Alright, we start out every roof job by first wetting down all of the plants. Plants are wet. I have switched the system over so that we can now apply our chlorine. Follow along. The application is done on this side. I have switched the system back over to water. We're going to give the plants a rinse down now that we're done. We are finished with this project. Here we are up on the roof. I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough so that you can see the after effects of this roof cleaning. As you can tell, all the black streaks are gone on this roof. And if you have a dark roof, we'd love to earn your business as well. Give me a call, 200-2352. Thank you.